Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you fix the issue called your iTunes is not connected to your mobile, or there is error connecting to iTunes. It's showing that your connection is lost or your connection is an error. How can you solve that issue? So firstly, we just have to know one thing, that whenever we face any type of connection problem on iPhone using with any application, using any website, so we just have to do one thing. We can restart our mobile phone. The first step is to click on the power or volume up button together. Hold them for 3 or 4 seconds and you can just slide to power off your mobile phone. Just restart the mobile phone. After that, you have to check that if your connection is good, your Wi-Fi network is good, your mobile data is good, and network at your location is good. So these are all the parameters which affect your network connection. So now whenever it's about iTunes, just click on that, because iTunes and other Apple applications take more data and they need a better network connection to work. Firstly, this is my iTunes. You can see this is working very properly, and this is the video. Thank you so much for watching this. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and we will meet again with next and the best video with all of you. If you have any question, any query, or any confusion regarding any topic, so just tap that topic into the comment section. We will make a separate video on that soon. Thank you so much for watching this. Keep watching, keep loving.